Hey guys, how we doing? My name is Micheal Lovette, and I'm going to be recording I'd Rather Be Sailing from the musical New Brain by William Fitt. Acapella. BT dubs. Okay. I'd rather be sailing, yes I would, on an open sea. I'd stand at the railing if I could, feeling wild and free. The sun is on my neck, the wind is on my face. The sea is incredibly blue, and I'd rather be sailing. Yes, I'd wanna go sail and then come home to you. Sex is good, but I'd rather be sailing. Food is nice, but I'd rather be sailing. People are swell, but I'd rather be sailing over the horizon. And I'd rather be sailing, yes I would, on an open sea. I'd stand at the railing if I could, feeling wild and free. The sun is on my neck, the wind is on my face. The sea is incredibly blue, and I'd rather be sailing. Yes, I'd wanna go sail and then come home to you. I'd rather be sailing. Yes, I'd wanna go sail and then come home to you. Okay, so there's that. There is that. Sorry, my computer kind of locked me out. Little evil thing. So, if you liked it, go ahead and leave your comments. If you didn't like it, and you have constructive criticism, mind you, I said constructive criticism on how I can fix any vocal issues, please let me know as long as it's constructive. If it's not constructive, I will delete it and block you from ever doing anything on my channel again. Okay? Okay. Got it. Bye.